So I have a Divi website and I want to add a new YouTube video that I made. And so I'm going to log into my WordPress and go to the page that I want to edit. Once I'm there, I'm going to click on Enable Visual Builder. But when I do that, I get an error message that's telling me that, oops, the Divi Builder failed to load. Most likely there's a compatibility problem with one of my plugins. Try to figure it out what's causing the problem by going to Manage Your Plugins and individually try to deactivate one at a time, which is very time consuming. I can try reloading the builder, but that's not helping me. So the way around it, instead of having to disable each individual plugin, you can click on Dashboard, then scroll down to Divi. Under Support Center, you have to scroll down to Safe Mode. So Safe Mode basically temporarily will disable all your plugins, child themes, and custom code. Now what's really nice about it is that it's only disabled all of these things on your end. It will not affect the visitors to your website. So you can make the changes you need to and then turn everything back on. And you can see how many plugins I have listed that could possibly be causing the error on my website. I don't want to have to go through each of them individually to figure out which one is causing the problem. I just want to add the video for today and that's all. I don't have time to be dealing with this. So this is a perfect temporary solution if you want to do a quick edit to your Divi theme and you don't have time to figure out the compatibility issue. Otherwise, I would have to go to plugin, installed plugin, and then deactivate each one at a time to figure out which one is causing the problems. So we're going to go back to Divi, Support Center, Safe Mode to click on Enable Safe Mode. Once I click on that, in the lower right corner, you can see Turn Off Safe Mode option. So basically it's telling me right now the Safe Mode is turned on. Now, if I go back to my page now, to my videos page where I was at before, and now if I click on Enable Visual Builder, I can see that I have all the options of Divi. So I can modify it, change it as I need it. Once I do that and I'm satisfied, I can click Save. And right now I'm just going to discard the changes and just click Exit Visual Builder. Now I can turn off Safe Mode on this page or any page. The green button will show up on each of your pages. I want to show you what's happening on the plugins. If I go to Dashboard, Plugins, and now you can see that all my plugins are deactivated except the Monarch plugin, which is part of Elegant Themes. Now I could just activate one at a time to figure it out if the issue is still there, or I can just click Turn Off Safe Mode to activate all of them at once. So then I can come back to this issue at another time because I don't have time to be dealing with it at this moment. So this is a quick solution if you have that error and you're trying to make a quick change to your website. You want to enable Elegant Themes, but it's not letting you. So thanks so much for watching.